You don't need a serger or a weaving machine before you close the rough edge on any fabrics. I'll be showing you 3 stitches you can use on your tabletop machine to achieve this clean result. For beginners, this is a tabletop machine. It comes in different kind and different numbers of stitches. Mine has 18 stitches. Others may be more than this. And this is what we call a raw edge or rough edge. It is majorly the part where you need to weave after sewing in order to have a professional look. So the first stitch we'll be trying at is stitch 11. You can see the stitch there, stitch 11. And this will help us close the rough edge. So this means stitching it using the stitch 11. After stitching, this is the result. You can see how neat the edges look. The next one we'll be trying is stitch 10. So we're going to rotate it all the way to stitch 10. As you can see, this is much smaller than stitch 11. So I'm also going to stitch on these fabrics. And after stitching, this is the result. You can see it clearly. The final stitch we are going to use is stitch 18. We'll be using stitch 18 on this tabletop machine, and we're also going to check the result too. So this means stitching using the stitch 18. And here is the result also. You can see that the edges are neatly covered. So these are the 3 stitches. Is your tabletop machine manual like mine or digital? I would like to see your comment below.